Thank you so much for joining me again. Today we're going to be doing a crystal healing for your chakras. Let's start by cleansing the energy in our space. We're going to use this Palo Santo to clear out any negativity. So that we can have a beautiful healing session together. I want you to find a comfortable place where you can relax. I want you to take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose and release through your mouth. I'm also going to use some selenite to cleanse your aura. Next, I'm going to use different crystals for each of your chakras. I'm going to start with your root chakra. Take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose. And release through your mouth. I'm going to start with your root chakra, which is found at the base of your spine. One more time. Next, we're moving up to the sacral. This is found in your lower abdomen. Let's take another cleansing breath in and release. These crystals are cleansing and removing any blockages. They're helping your chakras move and spin. We want all your energy centers to be working in unison. The next chakra will be the solar plexus. This is found just below your rib cage. Let's take a deep breath in and release. We're letting this citrine bring you so much joy and happiness. Next, we're moving to our heart chakra. Take a deep breath in and release. The energy is going into your heart chakra, filling you with joy and love, self-love. Next, we're moving to our throat chakra. Take a deep breath in and release. One more time. Moving now to the third eye. This is right between your eyes, slightly above your eyebrows. Deep breath in. Now we go to the crown chakra. This is found just a few inches above the top of your head. Deep breath in and release. Can you feel it connecting you to the universe? One more time. And now let's do one more cleanse of your aura. Using this clear quartz, which is a master healer. And finally, I'll send some Reiki to you. This Reiki energy is going wherever is needed. It's coming into your body. It's finding your chakras. It's moving through your energy centers. And it's going wherever you need it most. I hope you enjoyed today's Reiki and crystal healing. I hope you enjoyed spending just a few moments with me as I enjoyed spending a few moments with you. Until next time, be well.